Jai Hind, everyone. My name is Harshit Tripathi. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Akash Missile System, which is a very important part of India's air defense system and their capabilities. The Akash Missile System is an indigenously developed surface to air missile to protect India from enemy's aircraft, drones, and cruise missile. The Akash Missile System has been developed by DRDO and manufactured by Bharat Dynamics Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited. The Akash Missile System has a range about 25 to 30 kilometers. One of the biggest strengths of this missile is that it can track and hit the multiple targets at the same time, which makes it very effective during the enemy's air attacks. The system includes radars, control centers, launchers, and missile, which work together in one unit. Akash follow a command guided system, whereas missile follow guidance from the ground based radars. Both Indian Army and Indian Air Force use the Akash missile system to protect important areas such as air bases, cities, and strategic installation. Another aspect of Akash missile system is its role in the self-reliance. It supports the Make in India project and reduces the dependency on the foreign defense air systems. We have seen the powerful use of Akash missile system during the Operation Sindoor. In conclusion, I want to say that Akash missile system is the best example of India's growing strength in the defense technology, and it also boosts the confidence of Indian armed forces and strengthens the national security. It also signals to the world that India can make its own air defense systems